adding a timer. So now you're going to add a timer so that the player only has 10 seconds to catch as many ghosts as possible. Feel free to edit this portion of the timer to have more playing time. We are going to do this by creating a new variable called time. Your timer should start at 10 seconds and count down every second. The game should stop when the timer gets to 0. Okay, let's make a new variable for it. Since we made one for score, let's make a new variable for timer. And feel free to move your timer variable to wherever you like in your gaming screen / stage. So here's a hint to trigger our timer. When the green flag is clicked, you will need to set the time to 10. You should then repeat this until the time is equal to 0. Wait 1 second, then change the time by -1. Outside this loop, we will stop it all. So let's add the following code to your game and test out your new timer. So let's trigger it when the flag is clicked, and let's set the time to 10 seconds. So let's go ahead and make some room in our coding environment to trigger a new event. This new when flag click is going to set our new variable timer to 10 seconds. So once we set the timer to 10 seconds, we can repeat until the time equals 0 seconds. So we're going to repeat until timer is equal to 0. So the timer starts at 10, but we need to decrease it down or repeat until the timer equals 0. So it starts at 10 and repeating until time equals 0. So inside this loop is how we're going to get to 0. So inside the loop, let's wait 1 second. That way it can change the time by -1. So every 1 second, so wait 1 second, it will change the timer by -1. So it's going to repeat until it minuses by 1 until it reaches 0. And until it reaches 0, that's when we will stop all. And we can find the stop all block inside of controls. Let's try it out. Let's see how many monsters I can catch within the 10 seconds. Right now I can only catch my ghosts. So let's see how many I can get within the 10 seconds. I got 5 ghosts in 10 seconds. Awesome. And that shows my timer works because my game has also stopped me from catching some monsters. So test out your game. Ask a friend to test out your game. How many points can they score? If your game is too easy, we can do the following to your game. We can give the player less time, make the monsters appear less often, make the monsters smaller, and you can do any of the following.